I recently faced an issue where my Vizio TV won't stay on after a set period of time. Fortunately, I did fix this issue and I will detail it all in this video. So stay tuned. Welcome to Bling Bling. Let's get started. Vizio TVs have this handy little feature called timers that lets you conserve power when you're not actively using your Vizio TV. Sleep timer lets your Vizio TV sleep in a preset time after the TV doesn't detect input signals from your end. Auto power off lets your Vizio TV turn off the TV at a preset time if it doesn't detect any input from your connected input sources. Blank screen is a setting that turns off your screen to allow just the audio to play. A blank screen can also be invoked by pressing the mute button for 2 seconds. So, make sure to not toggle with the mute button too much. You can access the timer settings by pressing the settings button on your Vizio remote controller to open the settings page. Now, you can toggle the sleep timer right from this page, but for the complete list of timers, go to all settings, scroll down to select system, then choose the timers option at the bottom of your screen to access the timer toggles. Ensure that all the timer toggles are toggled off and check if the issue persists. If you have your timers toggled off and your Vizio TV still won't stay on, then this could be an issue with its power supply. Your Vizio TV is probably not getting the necessary power for it to sustain its operations and therefore resorts to not stay on. So, first check if there are any issues with the power socket that your TV is connecting to. If you're using a travel adapter or a power extension board, make sure that they are properly spec'd in order to handle high power devices like your Vizio TV. Now that we have ensured that there are no power relay issues, we need to check the hardware condition of your Vizio TV and the cables that you're using. If you're using an external media player like a Roku to connect to your Vizio TV, then you need to ensure that the cables are properly plugged in. For that, make sure that the cables and the ports that the cables are connecting to are in good condition. If the cables or the connecting ports are damaged, then you are bound to face input signal issues. So, subscribe to us if you don't want to face input signal issues relating to our Vizio content. If you notice any wear and tear, get the part or cable replaced. Power cycling is an important step in any general troubleshooting of electronics as it completely refreshes the system. It aids in resetting all the charges from within the system, essentially enabling it to operate more efficiently. To power cycle your Vizio TV, unplug the device from power and plug it back in after a minute or two. While you're at it, I also recommend that you power cycle your Vizio remote controller as well. The process? It's simple. Remove its batteries and pop them back in after a minute or two. It's best to perform power cycles multiple times in order to get the best out of your Vizio devices. If your Vizio TV not staying on is a memory related issue, then a factory reset might fix your problem. A factory reset will wipe out all the data from your Vizio TV, essentially making it just like when you first got the TV. To factory reset your Vizio TV, press the settings button on your Vizio remote to access the TV settings. Then scroll down to all settings and select admin and privacy. Select reset to factory settings and select reset TV. If your TV asks for a parental code and you don't have one set up, just add 4 zeros to initiate the reset process. And that's pretty much all I have for you in this video. You can also check out our in-depth article of the same topic from our website blingbling.com, which I've made sure to plug in the description below. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart home content.